Today we are going to make fusion cheesecake bars, and our main ingredient that is going to create a fusion between Indian mithai and an English dessert is Gulab Jamun. So let's make Gulab Jamun Cheesecake bars with me. For the base, we require crushed biscuits, melted butter and cashew nut. Mix the three together until they form a sandy texture and pour it into the tray and flatten it with something which has a flat back. Bake the base for at least 10 minutes until the base is brownish in color. Let's make our cheesecake batter. For that you require cream cheese, fresh cream, caster sugar, corn flour, eggs, gulab jamun and cardamom powder. Let's begin by beating the cream cheese mixture well and adding the fresh cream to it. Add in the corn flour to the caster sugar and give it a good whisk. Once that's done, add the sugar mixture into the cream cheese mixture and whisk it very well. Add in the eggs one at a time. Whisk everything well together. And finally, add in the cardamom powder and rose water. Once the mixture comes together into a smooth batter, put it on top of the biscuit base. Finally, add in the gulab jamun and keep it for baking at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 30 minutes until the sides are brown and the center is slightly wobbly. Let's garnish the cheesecake bars. For garnish, you require chopped gulab jamuns, crushed pistachios and some rose petals with a little bit of silver or gold on top. And your cheesecake bars are ready for indulgence. Enjoy! Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.